Question 23. The following diagram shows the cross-section of a circular water pipe. So the pipe is here and the water level is shown there. The shaded region in the diagram represents the water flowing through the pipe. Now we are given information about how much water flows through the pipe every second. So if I draw this pipe side on, basically every 14 seconds, the amount of water, every second, the amount of water that's flowed through this pipe would be 14 centimeters in length. We are then asked to find the volume of water that flows through the pipe in 3 minutes. So 14 centimeters would be the length of water, if you think of it like the length of this area here, which in turn creates a volume. So you'll have 14 centimeters as the length for 1 second, 3 minutes making 180 seconds multiplied together in order to give us effectively the total length of this prism, which we need to find the volume of. So first of all, we could find the areas of each of the cross sections, take them away from each other in order to give us the blue bit. So that will be the area of this sector here shown, or this pizza slice, if you think of it like that. Subtract the area of this triangle here, and then once we got that blue measurement, we're going to multiply by 14 and multiply by 180 to get our total volume from that. So the area of the sector, first of all, formula for that is theta over 360 to give us the fraction of the circle times pi r squared. Our theta here, our angle is 72. Our radius is 4.8, and when we type that into the calculator, we get 14.476 ... Our area of our triangle is half of AB sine C, so half AB sine C, formula you're given in the books, in the front, formula sheet for it, sorry. So for any angle C, as long as you have the sides either side of it, 4.8, either side are A and are B, you can use this formula. So we have all the information that we need here, which will be half of 4.8 times 4.8 times sine of 72, which will give us an answer of 10.95 ... We then take them away from each other. So what I actually did was, when I got this answer, I did A and S, subtract all of this in a bracket just so my answer was fully accurate. You could add a few more decimal places to these and just type them in as well. Just be careful if your answer ends up being slightly inaccurate. Little things like this can help you along the way. So we subtract them, 14.476 and all the rest, take away 10.95 and all the rest gives us a 3.52 and all the rest, and that is our area of the blue section. We're then going to times that by 14 and times it by 180 in order to get our volume. And from that, just checking, yep, from that we end up with 8,871.1 and change. And last but not least, rounding to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, third significant figure at the 7. So we're rounding here. That 1 doesn't change the 7 at all. So we have 887, and we have to be careful here because of where the decimal place is. That 1, we can't just ignore and put nothing there. We have to show that there's a 0. We don't have to put the decimal point in, but just to show that's where it would go. 8870, done.